Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I do not know which time of the day you're watching this. My name is Lenley Smith. I will be explaining to you a little bit about EV equities today. I've seen a lot of people have done videos on this EV equities before, but it hasn't quite given the users or the people who are interested in exploring how does this work the actual chance to see the user interface of the system. So this is the user interface of it. This is all the different portfolios and all the different means that you can basically invest, trade, have a life insurance, get secured credit, plan your retirement. So this app is called Easy Equities. It's run by the Purple Group of South Africa. And so far, as you can see on my portfolio, the total portfolio value that I have is 524 Rand 3 cent. So I initially obviously started last month, if I remember, when I actually took it serious, yes, the 16th of last month, and I invested 71 Rand 1 cent. As time has gone on, I've gradually invested more and more into this, and it is now currently the amount of 523 Rand, sorry, 523 Rand 94 cent. Okay, so it has increased as time has went on. So from the current value right now of the ZAR profile and the USD ZAR Z African Rand, ZAR South African Rand, but it's Z, and the USD is for the US dollar. So as I've got those, and I've got the Easy Properties portfolio too, which is a small investment. So inside of this is all the holdings, which is the shares that I've purchased before. As you can see, there are different kind of companies and stock to buy into different kind of groups. I have spread it diversely. I am still planning to increase it more as time does go on. And to prove to you guys that this is actually not a scam, what I have done was I'm going to show you my recent transaction history. So all this history basically displays everything that I have done up until this date. And as you can see there's a date of the 25th there for a company called Kumba Iron Ore Limited. And that is called dividend that was collected. So that was the investment that I made, the dividends, which means the profit payout to the shareholders based on the investment. So out of my 16 Rand 60 cents, I got 85 cents. And that's a 5.24% return on my original investment. Yes, so that is just to prove to you that this is not a scam and this is the actual real thing. I apologize about the delay in everything right now. I'm just busy waiting for the system. Okay, so I don't know if you've noticed that the price has gone up from the last time when I showed you. So now this is for both. This is for both of them, right? Easy equities and for US dollar, both are the same. And the US dollar is just a different kind of stock that I have purchased on the Stock Exchange of America of the USA. As you can see, the different names, different places. And once again, there was a dividend paid from Apple on the 14th of this month. So, yes, I didn't even know that. I just found that out now myself. So, yes, these are the different holdings. So, I invest into each of these companies. The aim is to be able to grow this portfolio and have another stream of income to generate for yourself by investing. As you can see, it went up to from 524 and 9 cents. It is now on 524 and 14 cents. With that being said, there is also the easy properties and the tax-free savings account. I am busy exploring each and one of these things. The reason I made this video was just to be able to make you guys aware that this easy equities, if I do ever send you a link or you'd like to know something, I would also like to know if you can ask me any questions. I'd appreciate it because then it will give me insight into questions I've never thought about before and so much more. And yes, I would just like to be able to maximize on every single item in every single way that I can. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy the rest of your day.